Love and light from me, Zelda, to you. I've been doing certain series about mental health and motivation. The first series was about what's true love. The second series was self love. The third series was the self and self esteem. For my next series, the fourth one is in mental health insecurities. How do you know if you have insecurities? There is 12 ways. Let's look at them. Number 1, an overriding feeling of that you don't have the qualities and abilities necessary to do something or to cope with life in general. Number 2, low self-esteem, self-confidence and self-worth. Number 3, like you're unable or not equipped enough to cope with stressors. That's a big one. I also struggle with it. So I also have some insecurities. Number 4, general uncertainty about the world. Number 5, anxious about your relationship with others. Number 6, poor decision making skills and limited ability to choose quickly. Being overly critical of yourself and other people. Number 8, trying to portray yourself as overly confident to mask who you really are and how you really feel. How many of us do that, especially on social? 9, perfectionism to the point of never being satisfied. Number 10, strong desire to be alone and avoid social situations. Number 11, struggling to believe others and build strong relationships based on mutual trust and understanding. Number 12, poor communication patterns that focus on the other person's needs and wants more than your own. And that comes also in. Some of these points also indicates on self-love, you must think about yourself. But when you never think about yourself and don't look after yourself, that's when it's become an issue. Like, follow, and share for more of this. And I would love feedback in comments. Thank you. Love and light.